welcome back to Grawnya's Home and Kitchen. So today I was down at the CNE in Toronto at the exhibition and it was freezing. It's the 1st of September and we had to wear jackets. It rained all day. It was just like, I laughed, it was like an Irish day. We just got drowned the whole day and we've come home and we're exhausted and we're hungry. So I wanted to show you a very, very quick recipe. It's so tasty and it is keto friendly. So I just thought I'd share it with you. And it's actually a chicken dish that you can cook in 35 minutes in the oven. So I'm heating my oven to 180 degrees, or that would be 360 I think. Yeah, 180, 360 here in Canada. And open up the chicken. I'm just going to get 2 chicken breasts out. It's just myself and Kieran, so and then I'm going to freeze the rest of these. So 2 chicken breasts. These are nice sized breasts. And to this I'm going to add some garlic, and this is Zesty Italian dressing, which is basically made up of vinegar and oil, and they do have some seasonings in this, paprika, and there's some spices or whatever. So this is just President's Choice Zesty Italian. You can also buy Kraft Zesty Italian. Don't buy the low fat, it has to be the full fat. And basically there is 1 gram of carbohydrate per tablespoon. And I'm also going to be adding this roasted garlic and peppers, which I use it on a lot of things. It's very, very tasty. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 cloves of garlic and I'm going to put them in my garlic press. Just going to press it in here to my chicken. And press them in. Okay, so 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of your Zesty Italian. Just give it a shake. 1, 2, and then some of this fabulous seasoning, which is great. Okay, so just shake some of that over. I don't think there's any carbs in this at all. Oh, there's 1 gram, so maybe about 2 tablespoons of that as well. And then just a spoon, mix it around. So because there's vinegar in this, it tenderizes the chicken for a start. Okay, so you can allow this to marinate for like an hour or 2 if you want. You can let it marinate overnight. It's up to yourself. But we're hungry today. It's had less than 5 minutes in there. It's still going to be very tasty. So I'm just going to take my chicken out. I'm going to rest it on my parchment paper, and now I'm going to pop it in the oven. Turn it this way. I'm going to pop it in the oven. Okay, so put this away, and I'm going to roast it, as I say, for 35 minutes. So when it's finished, I'll show it to you, and you'll see how beautifully cooked it is. The problem with chicken is people tend to overcook it, and it's not necessary to cook a fillet for any longer than 30-35 minutes. Okay guys, so here we are, our keto friendly dinner. There is the chicken. You can see the juices pouring out of it. It's so tasty. I have my Caesar salad. Okay guys, so there we have it, a keto friendly dinner. Chicken marinated in Zesty Italian salad dressing, some roasted garlic and pepper seasoning, and some fresh garlic. 35 minutes, a meal on the plate. And it's so tasty. Once you start cooking your chicken like this, actually, you'll just probably do it all the time, even if you're not on the keto diet. It's absolutely wonderful. Okay guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments or any questions, please ask below. Thank you guys, take care.